Okay, it is time to pick the winner of this cute little bee and the little pure organic honey flare. And I'll probably put in a few other flare that I just had, kind of random stuff that I had just sitting in my art room that I had made. So I will probably put those in there too. If I find any more, maybe some more too. And my daughter's texting me. She got a burn on her arm. Told her to put honey on it. So now I'm gonna keep getting those texts. Let me at least turn it down. Okay, so okay, I think I have my YouTube URL in there, and everything should be there. So it should get YouTube comments. Is that it? Okay, I have 7, and then I'm going to start, and it will pick the winner. Yay, how exciting. Barb Beckett. Yay, you're the winner, Barb. Just message me, and actually I think you are in my, from the Love RTS, I'm sure you are, so you can just message me on Messenger, and I will get this little bee out to you. Thanks for playing. Bye-bye.